All right, let's dive into something that's totally changing the game: artificial intelligence and creativity. Is it a tool? Is it a collaborator? Or is it something else entirely? Let's figure it out. So I want you to start with this number in your head: $432,500. That's right, that's the price a single piece of art just sold for at Christie's, one of the most famous auction houses on the planet. I mean, that is a staggering amount of money for any artist. So, the question is, who's the artist? Who's the genius behind this piece? Was it some modern master we've all heard of? A rediscovered talent from a century ago? I mean, seriously, who could possibly command a price tag like that? Well, get this. The artist was an algorithm, an artificial intelligence. The piece is called Edmund de Bellamy, and it was generated from start to finish by an AI. And yeah, you can bet that sales sent an absolute shockwave through the art world. It really brought up all the questions we're going to tackle right now. Okay, so first up, let's get one thing straight. This isn't just about AI copying what humans do. No, it's about generating stuff that is brand new, things we've literally never seen before. We're talking about a completely new kind of creative spark here, one that's giving birth to entirely new ways of making art. Yeah, this quote really nails it. AI tools aren't just making paintings or music. They're offering up entirely new creative styles. Think about that for a second. This isn't just a new kind of paintbrush. It's like a whole new way of thinking about what a painting or a poem or a piece of music can even be. But, and this is a huge but, this explosion of machine creativity doesn't mean humans are out of a job. Not at all. Actually, a much, much better way to think about AI is as the ultimate creative partner. Think of it like a co-pilot, there to enhance our own ingenuity, not to replace it. So what exactly do I mean by a creative co-pilot? Well, imagine an AI collaborator that's there to help you brainstorm ideas, explore a ton of different variations, and then refine your work. It's like a tireless assistant who can help you bust through creative blocks and handle the tedious stuff, all while you're the one calling the shots. And this is how that collaboration actually works. It's kind of like a dance, right? First, you, the human creator, you have the initial idea, the prompt. Step 2, the AI co-pilot goes to work generating a whole bunch of variations for you to look at. And then step 3, you step back in. You curate, you refine, you direct the final output. You are always, always the final editor. And look, this isn't some far-off future stuff. These co-pilots are tools you can use right now. You've got ChatGPT for brainstorming text and ideas. You've got DALL-E for whipping up quick visual concepts, and tools like Runway for creating and editing video. This incredible power is literally at our fingertips. Just think about all the boring, repetitive parts of any creative project. The formatting, creating simple backgrounds, basic edits. Your AI co-pilot can automate all of that. And what does that do? It frees you up. It frees up your mental energy to focus on what actually matters: the big idea, the story, the pure imagination. Okay, and this leads to what might be the most exciting part of this whole revolution. It's not just for the pros anymore. This technology is making creativity accessible to, well, pretty much everyone. I mean, just look at the difference here. The old way, you needed years and years of technical training. You needed expensive software and tools. You had to get past all these industry gatekeepers. But the AI way, you can create something amazing in minutes. The tools are accessible, often low cost. The only real limit anymore is your own imagination. So what this really means is that anyone can now create professional quality content. It doesn't matter what your traditional skill level is. Someone who has a brilliant idea for a movie poster but can't draw can now bring it to life. Someone who hears a melody in their head but has zero musical training can compose a full song. It's an incredible leveling of the creative playing field. And hey, don't for a second think this is just about paintings and songs. This whole co-pilot idea is sparking innovation in fields you might not even think of, like science, design, and engineering. Take science, for example. An AI can run simulations and suggest possibilities a human researcher might never even think of. Or product design, where it can rapidly prototype hundreds of new concepts. In architecture, it's generating totally new ideas for both structure and just how a building looks. It's basically a creativity booster across every single discipline. So let's wrap this up. What's the real contribution of this AI co-pilot? Well, it's generating brand new art forms and styles. It's making human creators faster and better. It's democratizing creativity for all of us. And it's sparking innovation way beyond the arts. It's a huge deal. Which really just leaves us with one final big question. The technology is here. Your co-pilot is in the cockpit waiting for instructions. So the only thing left to ask is, you have a co-pilot. Where will you go?